Hi everyone, so we're going to carry on with our learning to read and write Hebrew. This is lesson 6 and today we're going to learn a new vowel. We're going to learn the vowel E, and the vowel E is the air sound. So if you remember when we did the A vowel sounds as A, the E vowel sounds as A. Now similar to the A vowel, the air vowel can be written in 3 ways. 2 dots underneath a letter. It can have 5 dots underneath or 3. So they're the 3 symbols for the E vowel. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3. And if you remember, the A vowel was a dash, a little T, and the tack with a schwa. So we're looking at the E vowel today. And it's any of them 3 symbols underneath a Hebrew letter. And it sounds as, so if I just use the Aleph for now, the Aleph is a silent letter. So you put the E vowels underneath. Or because the Aleph is silent, only the E vowel would sound, which is the air. So the consonant's silent, so it would just be the sound of the vowel, and the E vowel sounds as air. So each of these would read as air. So if you want to practice writing the vowel and say your sound, I want you to say the sounds of these consonants as well that we've already done. So I'll write them there first. So these are the letters we've done in previous lessons. Okay, so if you say the sound, so this is the Behr, it's the B, resh, lamed, the mem, and this is the tav, tap. So that's the sound of the consonants, ba, and tap. Right, so now we're going to have a go reading the following sounds using the E vowel. Okay, so letter first, consonant B, sound is ba. The 2 dots is the E vowel, which is the air sound. So you add the vowel, which is air, to the consonant, Behr. Same with this one, you look at the consonant, it's the letter M, it's the mem, sounds as m. Again, the 3 dots is the air, me. Resh is the R sound, the E vowel, re. It's the tav, E vowel underneath, te. And again, the resh with the E vowel, re. We'll do some little words. Okay, so the B is the bet, E vowel, and it's the tav with no vowel underneath, so it'd be bet. Because if a vowel's there, if a letter's there with no vowel, it just takes on the sound of the consonant, which is a t. So that would read as bet, met, and again, you don't have to put the H in, you can just write it as you prefer, you can just write it as met, it still sounds similar. And then the resh with the E vowel and the T, ret. We'll do some bigger words now to practice. we'll have a go at these ones. So first word starts with the R. Now we've got the A vowel underneath, which is A. So Ra. Then you go to the next letter, which is the M. A vowel underneath. To the next letter, it's just the T on its own with no vowel. So we'd read as Ramat. The next one would be is the M. So The T is the A vowel. Ma. This is Tav, T, A vowel. Mata. This one would read is the Bet, so it's Ba, E vowel, R, E vowel, T. Beret. Okay, so you look at the letter first, which is the M, the E vowel underneath, Me, R, and the A vowel, Mera. And it does help, as you know, if your letter have got two vowels, you should have two syllables, which we can see, so sometimes it's easy to break them up to help you when you're reading it to pronounce it right. And then this one is the B with the E underneath, Behr, Behr. And this one, Te, and it's the dash is the A vowel, Tema. I'm just going to do another two words. Have a look there. And so first one, B, the A vowel underneath, Ba, Resh, E vowel underneath, Ba, Re. Remember it blends in, if there's no vowel after the last letter, it'll blend in, so it becomes Ba, Re, two syllables. And then the last one's the Mem, the dash underneath, which is the A vowel, Ma, Mat, straight to the Bet, but the two dots is the E vowel, and again the L at the end, two syllables, Mat Behl. Okay, so we're going to have a little test. Can you write the following consonants? And these are all the ones we've done from all our lessons. So I wanted to write the Resh, Lamed, Mem, Bet, and the Tav. Okay, so Resh, Lamed, Mem, Bet, Tav. Can you write the Hebrew vowels for A? So it's 3 syllables, we can write them for the A vowel. Okay, dash, little T. Can you write the vowels for the A sound for E? There you are. Okay, and now I want you to write the following sounds in Hebrew. Okay, I'm just going to give you 3 for practice. Can you write the word Tehl, Behl, and Behr? So using the vowels we've learned today and the letters we've used so far in our lessons. So the first one, Tehl. So you'd want the T sound, so we'd use the Tav. Look at the vowel sound is E. So the most common ones to use for the E is normally the 3 dots. Sometimes the 2 dots, but mostly the 3 I've seen. And then Tehl, we want the L sound, so we put it on the end. So that would read as Tehl. Behl, we'd use the Bet for the B sound. Again, we want the sound there, so it'd be an E vowel. and the L on the end, Behl. And Behr, again B, but it's the A sound, so put the vowel in, and the resh, Behr. So remember, a consonant can only have one vowel. So congratulations guys, you now have learned another vowel and you still know the 5 consonants. So in our next lesson, next week, we'll be looking at the sheen. It's a new consonant, and I'm continuing to practice with the vowels that we've learned so far, and we'll learn some more words next week as well. Alright, thanks guys.